The educational institutes today face unique challenges in day-to-day document management. One of the primary requirements is printing documents on a regular basis. The challenge of printing large volume of documents like question papers, assignments, study material in short span of time at optimal cost is faced by most institutes. Traditionally, an institute sources its printing requirements from local printers. These local arrangements can get affected due to various issues at the printer's end, resulting in delays, leaks, and cost overruns.
We were always chasing the printers who could not adhere to the deadlines and could not adhere to the quality that we desired.
What an institute requires is in-house printing solutions offering fast print speed, low cost per print, durable print quality, in short, a mini offset for the institute. Well, now the solution is here. The Ricoh Copy Printer has been designed to meet the unique printing requirements of education institutes. The Ricoh Copy Printer is equipped with features and is amazingly easy to use. The Copy Printer has fast print speeds, versatile paper handling, and low cost per print. This ensures that all bulk documents get printed, meeting all possible deadlines like examinations.
I find Ricoh machine, which gives us around 120 prints in a minute. This is amazing because it has come in very handy for the question paper making and printing.
This copy printer is designed to run 24/7. Where most copiers have an average life of 10 lakh prints, the copy printer is capable of 1 crore prints. The copy printer can handle both thin and thick paper with ease, allowing you to print on thinner paper to save cost. The copy printer prints on speeds varying from 90 prints per minute to 240 prints per minute. Print speeds are adjustable based on the type of print. The copy printer also has a low power consumption of under 200 watts as compared to about 2000 watts required by a copying machine. It can be plugged onto a UPS or inverter in case of power failure. The adjustable print speeds allow 5400 to 14400 documents to be printed in an hour. The copy printer is easy to use with simple effortless printing owing to intuitive RPCS icon-based printer driver interface. It's almost like having a mini offset for your institute. The robust copy printer can print on variety of papers in various sizes in high quality time after time. This spot color capability allows to print 2 colors such as certificates or letterheads.
We now have much greater control over our documentation. We're able to print all kinds of documents in-house at our own pace, meet our own deadlines, and the more so, the best part is it can be done by anybody without any special training.
Because it requires very little maintenance, which is done on a quarterly basis. Plus, the other advantages are that your 4 sheets or 2 sheets, you want to condense them, bring them on one as a printout.
The copy printer with fast print speeds, rugged build quality, low cost of operation, and flexibility to accept any media is your trusted bulk job partner.
Ricoh.